Hi everyone, it's been a while we did this. What do I mean by this? Meaning unboxing. Look, I don't know, there's something about ordering for raw materials for production that gets me excited, that gives me this adrenaline rush, right? Okay, I'm a Nigerian creator, content creator based in Port Harcourt to be specific, and I ordered this raw materials from Lagos. Honestly, I've been using this blog for a while now, for more than 3 years if I'm not mistaken, and they have never disappointed. I just got this order this afternoon. I've not even unwrapped it. Look, I've not even unwrapped it. I decided to come here in front of you guys. Let's do this together. See, I just feel we've been in this for the longest of time, so we should be able to do most of the very important things together. So I'm just going to unbox it here right now. This is my scissors. Let's start from the top, right? Mhm. And it's well wrapped, well packed. I'm so impressed because that's the whole thing. If there's anything we're always scared of when we order raw materials, is actually spillage. Yeah, if there's anything no one wants, even while packaging. Like last week or so, I sent product to someone, and unfortunately, she told me that one of them actually leaked out, and I felt so bad. So this is it. I've unwrapped it. Yeah, so let's start one by one and see what we have here. Whoa, this is a 500 grams, like half kg of alpha olefin sulfonate powder. That is sodium C14C16 olefin sulfonate. To be honest with you, I have never used alpha olefin sulfonate powder before. This is my first time. I've always used the liquid. So I'm going to do this for the first time. Hopefully, I'm going to drop a video about this on my membership part of the channel. Honestly, see this thing I have here with me. It's quite a whole lot. It's almost or more than $100, like what I just lifted up here for you. Wow. And these things cost money. So as a creator, I need that support. Like, I don't even need to claim that I don't need that support. So please join my membership. There's a whole lot. We're going to dissolve this on my membership part of the channel. Yes, alpha olefin powder. Let's keep it by the side here. Then this is SAP. What does it mean? Sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Yeah, I just got it. I wanted it for like 100 grams, but they didn't have up to 100 grams. They had just 30 grams. And so I ordered for it because I have run short of vitamin C serum. So I said, okay, let me use this for a while before they restock. Yeah. So the next thing here we have is azelaic acid. This is azelaic acid powder. Yeah, usually used for products on the skin. It helps with acne, rosacea, honestly. So here I have some more liquidy ingredients. Yes, it's wrapped again. Now I love what they did. Can you see? They separated the liquids from the powders. Yes, I love this. I love this. Yeah, this is awesome. I know these raw materials are expensive, but like I said, what I just showed you guys now, forget about the size. It's a whole lot, to be honest with you. I'm just tearing it out. I tried to do this unboxing in front of you guys. Just wanted us to do something together, and maybe, hopefully, I will make something out of this. Because usually the surfactant is what I use in making products for face washes, hair shampoo, and liquid bathing soap like shower gels. Yeah, so maybe I'll make. I have a face wash video already, or it's on my membership chat part of the channel. I said it sometime last year, if I'm not mistaken, that now my DIY videos will move to the membership side of my channel. To be honest with you, your girl needs cash. It's serious like that. A lot of things. Probably when the time is ripe, or when the time is right, I'm going to let you guys know a whole lot. You don't know what happens behind the scene. Obviously, we only show you what we want you guys to know, or what we want you guys to see. But a whole lot is happening in our lives. A whole lot. But we thank God. When the time is right, I'm going to let you guys in on everything, I promise, because it's for a better good of what is happening here, right? So when the time is right, honestly speaking, okay, this is my liquid Jama Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative. If you haven't watched my videos on preservative, I'm going to look for it and drop it in the description space of this video. And liquid Jama Plus is a good one. And look at the sealing. See, I just love. I'm learning. I need to go and get the sellotape to be sealing my products. I just love what these people do here. There is no spillage, one bit. Honestly, I'm so happy. Each time I order from this people, I am not disappointed, to be honest with you. This is another product here. This is hydrolyzed wheat protein. Yeah, I love this bottle here. My hand, this is 100 ml. I ordered for 200 ml. So this is it here. Yeah, guys. So I think this is the last one. Now this is a 1 liter cocoa middle propylene betaine. Now this is how I was also purchasing the AOS, but this time around there was no liquid AOS alpha olefin sulfonate. It was only powder, so I ordered for it like that. So I'm gonna be the one to dissolve it. And this is my cocoa middle propylene betaine, and it's an amphoteric surfactant. So when I'm making my face washes or body washes or shampoo, I combine these two. These an anionic surfactant, while this is a the secondary surfactant. This is a primary surfactant, and it's an alpha olefin sulfonate is an anionic surfactant. Cocoa medropropylene betaine is a amphoteric surfactant, which happens to be the secondary surfactant. And the good thing about this amphoteric surfactant is the fact that it does not have any charge, so therefore it is compatible with anionic surfactant, with cationic surfactant, and even non-ionic surfactant. This has been my secondary surfactant for every other primary surfactant that I have always used, being it in those categories of surfactants that I have already mentioned. Yes, and it has not failed me, to be honest with you. So, guys, this is the end of it. Honestly, raw materials are really expensive. I begin to start dissecting the prices points for you guys. You will understand why I am literally begging you to subscribe to my membership side of the channel. Yes, and watch these things, because honestly, we spend a lot of money. Cosmetic formulators, we spend a lot of money, and that's why some cosmetic formulators have even tend to like withdrawn from actually making cosmetics online, because it's pricey like that. So it's not easy. You pay, you buy. It's just that the fact that I own a cosmetic brand that I sell, to some extent, I'm like, okay, mine is not really just meant for only content. Yes, otherwise, if it's meant for only content, I really, really doubt if I could pull through. Is a whole lot, to be honest with you. Um, and sourcing for reliable vendors, it's also another challenge we are suffering here. I bought Jama Plus one time from one vendor. It was a mess, but looking at this, it stands what it represents. I bought Jama Plus one time from one vendor here in Port Harcourt. I was so disappointed, like seriously disappointed. What do I mean? It didn't work. It failed. My product started growing mold. Like, to be honest with you, it was so runny, because I knew that Liquid Jama Plus was a thick liquid. But when I saw this one was so runny, I was in doubt, and hence the reason why I monitored that formula very well. I even did a video talking about beware of preservative, otherwise you're whatever we feel. Wow, look at it. Can you guys see? You see, this is how a liquid Jama Plus is supposed to look like. Thick, clear, white, raw. Yeah, liquid is a broad spectrum preservative for oil and water formulas. Yes, the one I bought that time was so runny, like what is this? And my mindset was like, okay, let me just work with it, but I have to be very, very observant and true to my instinct. That's why they say women, we have very strong instinct. Follow your instinct. It actually didn't work. So only God knows, maybe it was diluted or it was expired. I don't know. I don't know. But I just got this one, and we really stand what it represents. So I hope I am not talking too much. Let's come to the end of this video, or rather, let me come to the end of this video. Thank you so much if you watched this part. I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. Let's interact, and then thank you so much. All right. Bye. Thank you.